Welcome to all the ladies to Kia Brackenfell. It's great to have you guys here. This is a fantastic initiative from Kia SA themselves, and it's really nice to have you guys here. As you can see, we at Kia Brackenfell enjoy empowering ladies, and they're actually the bosses. We just run around here and look pretty. The industry norm is this is a man's world, and that song is not true at all. If it wasn't for all the ladies in our dealerships, we would have been bankrupt long ago, and most probably failed every audit and all been in jail. So yeah, the ladies in our industry are making leaps and bounds. There are dealer principals, directors, etc., etc. HR, admin, sales, you name it. There's a place for ladies all the time. Even in after sales, we actually had our first female technician in Somerset West, where I was before, and she's doing very, very well, and she teaches the boys a couple of things quite often. So everything from technical after sales, right through to admin, through to parts, through to customer service advising, admin on the side, accountants, sales, you name it. There's a place for ladies in this industry, 110%. So by the time you guys are all nice and young, by the time you guys get to my level, luckily I'll be retired, so that's all good for me. But yeah, it's a fun place to be. It's a pressure place to be, but there's a lot of job satisfaction in it. So yeah, when I called the guys together, and the ladies and the management, thank you to everybody for the arrangements, and Laura and Leighton and Melissa with money. But yeah, everybody was quite excited, and we all agreed on one thing, that if we knew what you're going to find out today a couple of years ago, these ladies would have been jumped into this industry long ago. So in promotions as well, we have a lot of ladies that start somewhere, and usually in what they call a junior admin role, and then they grow through the business. But the nice thing is, where your love is, there's a space for you anywhere in the dealership. So if your love's technical, then that's the way. If your love's admin, that's your way. If your love's finance, that's your way. If you love selling stuff, that's your way. So there's really a massive array of potential employment in the main industry. So from our side in Kia Brackenfell, thank you very much for this fantastic initiative. It's our pleasure and our privilege to host you guys, and yeah, have a fantastically great day.
My name is Anushka, and I'm courageous because I look forward to my dreams. I look forward to putting things in place for my future and my goals. I am very eager to learn new things. I'm always there when there are challenges, and I'm always taking it head on.
My name is Courtney. I am determined because I like to finish things that I started. As for me, being in a mechanical way, I'm studying mechanical engineering. So for me, as for you, what you have said, I'm also trying to motivate younger little girls and boys to know that it's okay to do a man's job, and you're not doing it just because you want to do it better than you're doing it because it's your dream. So that is what I'm trying to finish, so that I can motivate other ones that are in the same position where I am.
My name is Tina, and I am strong because I've overcome a lot of things in life, and I never backed down. I stood up and chinned up and held my head up high and achieved what I wanted to achieve. And I'm a student of ERT, Engineering Related Design, Level 2. I am doing motor mechanic, and I'm proud of myself. Thank you.
Hi, so I'm Gail and I do new car sales. I've been in the industry 21 years and it hasn't been easy. I started out as a receptionist, worked my way into admin, went back to reception and then started in car sales. For a woman in sales, not a very easy thing to do, man dominant. But as the years go on, it gets easier because now females relate better to females buying cars. So it becomes easier and it becomes fun. So with me being so long in the industry and my colleague Aideen being a year in the car industry, it's same challenges. So whether you basically from 20 years to a year in the industry, you're having the same type of challenges, different but the same type of challenges. So Aideen is more than welcome to share what her challenges is in our industry. And as I said, my challenges is male dominant. They want to overpower you, but you overcome it. As a woman, we're strong, so we overcome it and we just go with the flow. We improvise and we go with the flow as women.
Hello girls, hello, my name is Aideen. Like my colleague introduced, I've been in the car industry almost a year, so the 1st of April will be 1 year. Now, I've got an extensive CV of where I started working. I'm actually a teacher, high school teacher. 3 years, after that, Virgin Active personal trainer, then management. After that, the real estate. So I've been in real estate for 9 years and then I just decided it's not for me anymore. Then I took a leap of faith last year and I decided I'm going to do something that I've never ever done before in my life. It was scary as beep. Okay, very scary. I was 36 at the time, making a huge turnaround in my life in all forms, personal life, everything. And I decided, let's do this. I haven't looked back once since I started in the motor industry. I have to add, being a female in the motor industry and working with females is a lot of personality clashes, like we can all understand as being a woman, but overcoming that in any workplace, whether it is motor industry, whether it is whatever you do, overcoming that and stepping up, saying that you are wrong when you were wrong, that is what makes your job a career and what you love. So whatever you take from this today, and like she said as well, we've all been through stuff that we don't talk about. And it's not the stuff that we went through that made us stronger. That I don't believe that. It's how we handled it to get to where we are today. That is what makes you strong. So when you think back of your challenges and what you've been through to get where you are today, I know you guys are still young, but we all go through a lot of things. It's how you handled it, the people that was there to support you. I'm still going through a lot of stuff, and here's my support structure and the rest of my team. And that's why I call them family. And when you have that in your workplace, you know you've got a winner.
Hi, afternoon everybody. My name is Leeton Manuel. I'm the sales manager here at Kia Brackenfell. Before I say anything else, can we give Desh and her team one hell of a round of applause? Desh, what you are doing, I think, is so important, especially in today's age, where a lot of people feel like they can't talk about stuff that they're going through, like they are going to be stigmatized, like they're going to be bullied even more. And it's important to know, guys, that it doesn't matter what you go through. It's not just about the physical, but it's also about the emotional stuff that you go through as well, that you cannot let hold you back.